This is size analysis in 90 seconds. Size analysis helps you monitor and reduce your mobile app size so you don't ever have to think about it again. Here we have a PR where we're adding an SDK. Size analysis is running as a status check. Here you'll see exactly how the size changed, and you can inspect the diff to see a more detailed breakdown, including every file that changed, as well as a visual representation of the diff. In this other PR, we have a failing status check. We configured a rule to fail any build that increased install size by more than 5 megabytes. We can again get more detail and see that in this case, we're actually adding duplicate files as well as images that could be further optimized. The idea is simple. Catch size regressions while you're developing and keep changes as small as possible. You can get a detailed breakdown of any build showing exactly where the size is coming from, as well as what size saving opportunities there are. These can be highlighted on the tree map to make it very obvious where you can reduce size. This hero image is being duplicated and can be further optimized. On top of all of that, size analysis integrates with the rest of the Sentry platform, so you can do things like track size over time in a dashboard. Uploading is easy. Use Fastlane, the Sentry CLI, or Gradle. You can upload on every commit or just on releases, whatever fits your workflow. Size analysis lets you stop worrying about app size so you can focus on what's important to your app.